Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Binance 2FA or two-factor authentication for Google Authenticator. And by the way, if you haven't signed up for a Binance account yet, or even if you have, you can go ahead and click on the link below in the description or in the comments for you to be able to earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Also, it will help support the channel. Now going back, so first up, go ahead and tap on Binance to open it up. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, just go ahead over to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lines or the Binance logo. Okay. Now, once you're in here, just tap on your profile and then go ahead over to security. Tap on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, in here you have the Authenticator app. Just tap on it. Now at the bottom, you have the enable button. Okay. Tap on it. And in here, as you can see, it gives us a code and a QR code. Okay, so what we'll do is just copy the code from here and open up a Google Authenticator. Okay. Open it up. Now you won't be able to see it from here because I'm using an app to cast my phone to my computer. Okay, so just go ahead and go to the bottom right and you'll be able to see a plus sign. Tap on it and then just tap on the option, enter a setup key. All right, as you can see here, you can now go ahead and enter a code name. For example, just go ahead and type down Binance. Like so, and then just tap and hold and paste the copied key, and then time-based right here, just leave it. Okay, add, wait for it, and in no time you'll be able to see Binance added to your Google Authenticator. Okay, now once that's done, just go back, look for the Binance number. I'm gonna go back to Binance right here. I'm gonna hit on next, and then it needs an Authenticator app. So I'm just gonna type in the number from Google Authenticator. Okay. Okay. And once done, as you can see here, we now have Authenticator app connected. Just tap on back. All right. As you can see here, we now got a check mark. That means you're good to go. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.